Welcome to Kali Kannada 101. This is the poem Puttana Galipata from Kali Kannada 4, Lesson 11. Puttana Galipata is Putta's kite. This is written by Dr. Varada Srinivas. ಹಸುರಿನ ಹಾಳೆಯ ಗಾಳಿಪಟ ಕಾಸಿಗೆ ಕೊಂಡನು ಪುಟ್ಟ. Hasurina is green color. So the green color kite was bought for money, Kasige, by Putta, our Putta. ನಡೆದನು ಪುಟ್ಟನು ಮನೆಯಾಚೆ ಗೆಳೆಯರ ಬಳಗವ ಕರೆಯಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. So Putta came out of his house, ಮನೆಯಾಚೆ, and to call his group of friends. So ಗೆಳೆಯರ ಬಳಗ is group of friends. ಕರೆಯಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, to call. ಬಂದಿಹ ಗೆಳೆಯರ ನೋಡುತ್ತಲಿ ಹಾಡಿದ ಪುಟ್ಟನು ಜಂಬದಲ್ಲಿ. So the friends came out to see, and when they were looking, Putta started singing very proudly. In this case, proud means more of an, when you're trying to, this is pride, and this is not about just feeling happy about your accomplishment. This is more of being pride that I have something you don't have, kind of pride. So the song goes, ಉದ್ದದ ಬಾಲಂಗೋಚಿದಿ ಇದೆ ಗಗನಕ್ಕೆ ತಲುಪುವ ದಾರವಿದೆ ನನ್ನಲ್ಲಿಹುದು ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಖಂಡಿತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಡುವುದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. So what he's saying is there's a long tail for it. Gagana, it's to the sky. It's got a dhara, which is that thread which makes it reach up to the skies. I have it, but you don't have it, and I definitely will not give it to you. ಖಂಡಿತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಡುವುದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ means I will definitely not give it to you. ಪುಟ್ಟನು ಓಡಿದ ಕುಣಿದಾಡಿ ಗೆಳೆಯರು ಬಂದರು ಓಡೋಡಿ. So Putta ran, prancing around. He was prancing around, and the friends came behind him, watching and running. ಪಟವಿದು ಮರಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಲುಕಿತು ಪುಟ್ಟಗೆ ಅಳುವು ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. So Pata, the Galipata or the kite, ಮರಕ್ಕೆ, to the tree, it got stuck, ಸಿಲುಕಿತು. ಪುಟ್ಟಗೆ ಅಳುವು ಬಂದಿತ್ತು means Putta was, feeling very sad. He was almost crying. ಪುಟ್ಟನ ಪಟವದು ಹಾಳಾಯಿತು ಜಂಬದ ಪುಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಪೆಚ್ಚಾಯಿತು. So Putta's Putta's kite got spoiled. ಜಂಬದ ಪುಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಪೆಚ್ಚಾಯಿತು. So the proud Putta now became very dull. ಗೆಳೆಯರು ಪಟವನ್ನು ಬಿಡಿಸಿದರು ಪುಟ್ಟಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಗಿಸಿದರು. So the friends brought the kite down and gave it to Putta and made him smile. ಪುಟ್ಟನ ಜಂಬವು ಕರಗಿತು ಪಟವದು ಎಲ್ಲರ ಪಾಲಾಯಿತು. So Puttana Jamba, his pride all got dissolved, or his pride all was forgotten, and now the pata became everyone's. Everyone was able to play with the kite. Thank you for listening.